Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really lurking out there in the deepest, darkest corners of the universe? Today we're re-diving headfirst into one of space, its most terrifying and mysterious objects, the black hole. And we're going to explore the scary truth about what might be waiting inside. So, what exactly is a black hole? Imagine a star, way more massive than our sun, running out of fuel. It collapses under its own immense gravity, squeezing all its matter into an incredibly tiny point called a singularity. This creates a gravitational field so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape once it crosses a certain boundary, the event horizon. That's the point of no return. Now let's imagine the unimaginable. What would happen if you fell into one? As you approach the event horizon, you'd experience something straight out of a sci-fi horror movie called spaghettification. The black hole's gravity is so much stronger at your feet than at your head that it would stretch you out like a piece of spaghetti, atom by atom. It's a pretty gruesome way to go, but scientifically fascinating. From an outside observer's perspective, it would look like you're slowing down and fading away, forever frozen at the edge. But for you, time would speed up, and you'd witness the future of the universe flash before your eyes in an instant. But what lies beyond the event horizon? This is where things get really wild, and scientists have some mind-bending theories. The most common idea is that at the center of every black hole is the singularity. This is a point of infinite density and zero volume, where our current laws of physics completely break down. Space and time as we know them cease to exist. It's a place so bizarre that our brains can't truly comprehend it. It's the ultimate unknown, a tear in the fabric of reality itself. Another thrilling theory is that black holes could be gateways to other universes. This is the white hole hypothesis. A white hole is the theoretical opposite of a black hole. Instead of pulling everything in, it spews matter and energy out. So, if you could somehow survive the journey through a black hole, you might just pop out in a completely different cosmos, a new reality with its own set of physical laws. Could our own universe have been born from a white hole? It's a mind-blowing possibility that some physicists are seriously considering. Then there's the hologram theory. This idea suggests that everything that falls into a black hole is undestroyed, but is instead encoded on the two-dimensional surface of the event horizon, like a cosmic hologram. The three-dimensional reality you experience is just a projection of this information. So, in a way, you wouldn't be gone. You'd just become part of the black hole's memory, stored forever on its boundary. This concept challenges our very understanding of reality and information. So, are black holes cosmic monsters that destroy everything, portals to other dimensions, or giant cosmic hard drives? The truth is, we don't know for sure. They remain one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos, pushing the limits of our knowledge and imagination. Every new discovery only seems to open up more questions, making the universe an even more exciting and terrifying place. What do you think is inside a black hole? A singularity? A gateway to another universe? Or something else we haven't even dreamed of? Let me know your wildest theories in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cosmic adventures. See you next time.